Today I have with me, my name's James Burwood. I'm from Railcare UK. Unsurprisingly, we're based in the UK, and we are Realization's implementation partner in the UK. And I have with me today one of my favourite clients, Craig Speed from Railcare, who's going to talk you guys through his experiences of implementing critical chain and Realization's Concerto software, which we're particularly fond of. But before I welcome Craig to the stage, we're going to play a little video for you to give you an idea, a little bit more, of what exactly it is that Railcare actually does.
Railcare has been in existence since mid-1800s. Railcare is involved in the manufacture, repair and overhaul of rail vehicles within the UK. That can be of any type of vehicle. We're not restricted by the work that we can do. We can do interior overhauls where we can change the ambience, the style, the colour schemes within the vehicles. We can do major structural repairs through collision damage, through aluminium welding processes, or we can take component parts such as the wheel sets or traction motors or bogies, which the wheel sets are fitted within for the carriage of the vehicles. So we have an extensive range of skills and competencies within the business. One of the major aspects that we needed to look at was the way in which we engage the projects in the early stages, that the right tools and materials wouldn't be in position, and that a great amount of the profitability of a project was lost in the early stages due to this poor early engagement in projects.
Compared to the other plans we've had in the past, we went through a horrendous project plan that was something like 2,500 lines long, micromanaging the detail, and it was never ever up to date or never accurate. A huge difference I found with the critical chain method was that I always knew where I was, always knew it was up to date, it was robust, very, very simple, and it was easy to communicate where we were, which is what everyone was really after. I would actually say if it hadn't been for the critical chain tools, I'd still probably be doing enablement. Not having the clarity to get this stuff going around, I've probably been chasing a lot of the wrong things, believing that they were important, believing that they were the right things to do. For me, it made a huge difference.
Critical chain project management allowed us to identify danger areas, areas where we're likely to slip, and yes, it gave us early warning so we could avoid those problems in some cases. In other cases we were aware of the problem, we couldn't get rid of it completely, but we could take steps to mitigate it, and as a result I think we were benefiting from the use of this system. We've used this tool, we've adapted it to the way we do things, and so far it's worked, and I'm hoping that this is going to continue into the future.
100% due date performance once we go into production and the units are cycling through our facility, certainly since privatisation, we hadn't achieved that. And just to give that context, we've been 100% on our delivery for nearly 9 months. So that's well, in our view, a fantastic achievement. We've also taken significant spend out of the business, about $9 million to date. We've looked at focused purchasing, taking cost out of engineering. We're able to reduce overtime significantly. We're not, due to far better enablement, we're not having to put overtime on because we're waiting for delivery of material, or we've got an issue, with engineering. So that's a big benefit, and also we've got a lot less contracted labour. We're a lot more efficient in what we do in our processes and operations.